The highest wind speed ever recorded in North America was observed on the summit of Mount Washington, New Hampshire on April 12, 1934. A peak gust of 231 miles per hour was recorded. That's higher than any measurement ever taken in a hurricane. Wind, waves, and water. Hurricane power is all about energy. Storm specialist Dr. Greg Costell explains exactly how much energy these massive tropical engines can produce.
The force of 500 nuclear bombs. That's how much energy a typical hurricane expends during its life cycle. Hurricanes sweep up warmth and humidity from the warm tropical oceans, and they store this heat in their cores until it's released to the atmosphere through torrential rainfall. Think of a hurricane as one big heat engine, with the ocean acting as its high-octane fuel. The energy released through the rainfall is used to drive the intense rising air within the storm and the strong winds that make the hurricane so fierce. Take away the ocean, and the hurricane spins down. Too bad it's difficult to harness this energy, because if we could, it would power the world several times over at any instant.
We promised and we delivered. Weather Channel Storm Tracker Jim Cantore has seen the worst Mother Nature has to offer, but can it match the man-made power of a Category 5 wind speed in a controlled wind tunnel? Will Cantore keep his feet? Check this out.
Alright guys, so we're going to start off essentially going through a small breeze that you get on an ocean day. Alright, so here's 20 miles per hour. Feeling really strong, 20 miles an hour. Your flags are flapping and making sounds like that. You get to 30 miles per hour, the water's all chopped up out there. That's so fun.
Holy smoke. Oh my god. It's just deafening. That was crazy. That was just absolutely crazy. The power of the wind, yeah. It's incredible. 186. So we get to go around 186.9. That's not bad. I don't think I want to go any higher than that. I really felt like that was a piece of dust blowing in the wind. It was a wild ride. This will come back to get it.
The one and only Jim Cantore.